In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a password from a PDF file fast, so you can unlock it for easier access and sharing. Before we start, a quick reminder. You should only remove passwords from PDF files that you own or have clear permission to modify. This process is meant to make your work easier, not to bypass security on documents you're not allowed to access. To begin, make sure you actually know the current password for your PDF. You can't remove a password from a locked file unless you can open it first, so have that password ready. Locate the PDF on your computer, either on your desktop, in your Downloads folder, or wherever you've saved it. Next, open the PDF using a standard PDF viewer or editor. Many people will use a built-in viewer in their browser or a dedicated PDF application. When you first open the file, you'll be prompted to enter the password. Type in the correct password and confirm that the document opens normally. Scroll through a couple of pages just to be sure everything loads properly. Now that the file is open and fully accessible, the goal is to save a new copy of the PDF without the password protection. In most PDF applications, you can do this using the Save As or Export options. Look toward the top of your screen for a menu labeled File. Click on that and then choose either Save As, Save a Copy, or Export as PDF, depending on what your software calls it. When the Save dialog appears, you'll usually see some settings or options related to security or encryption. This might be labeled Security, Permissions, Encryption, or Password Protection. Open that section and make sure any option that says something like Require a password to open the document is turned off or left unchecked. If your viewer automatically copies over the existing security settings, you may need to explicitly choose No Security or Remove Password. After adjusting those settings, choose a clear file name for the new version, such as Document Name Unlocked, and select a folder where you'll be able to find it easily. Then click Save or Export. The software may ask for the current password one last time to confirm you're allowed to remove it. Enter the password again if prompted. Once the new file is created, close your PDF viewer, then reopen the new version you just saved. This time, it should open immediately without asking for a password. If it does, you've successfully removed the password from your PDF and unlocked the file for fast, convenient access.